With automated collection becoming more and more important for fleets, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, keeping drivers in the cab, safely isolated from traffic, people, and carts has never been more critical. With commercial collection volumes plummeting, fleets are seeing a dramatic increase in residential collection. Fleets are having to retrain front-load operators to drive automated side loaders, which can be a costly endeavor, both in terms of time and lost productivity. With the Heil Autonomous Lift Option or the Heil Command-SST automated side loader, your waste collection asset becomes productive immediately, especially with a new driver that has never operated an ASL before. With H.A.L.O, when combined with the optional heads-up display and foot controller, their eyes are always forward and their hands remain on the wheel. By utilizing the H.A.L.O function, we ensure the operator uses the most efficient arm dump sequence every time, which reduces wear and tear on the arm, the chassis, and the cart. All of this is achieved with a press of a single button on the joystick or by pressing the optional foot switch. With the heads-up display, Heil has incorporated technology that has been proven effective and widely used in fighter jets. The operator uses the heads-up display to position the truck in line with a cart using the on-screen cart alignment guides, thanks to some technology developed by sister ESG company, Third Eye. The operator can then use the foot controller to engage the Command-SST cart dump sequence. Once the cart is empty, the onboard sensors ensure that it is returned to the same location every time. If the operator detects a cart that needs additional help emptying stubborn waste, the second foot controller initiates the unique rotary actuator can shake feature. All of this happens with the operator safely in the cab, with their eyes forward and both hands on the wheel. H.A.L.O dramatically simplifies and optimizes the operation of an ASL. For fleet owners, a H.A.L.O-equipped Command-SST means an improved total cost of collection over ASLs that don't have it, providing immediate productivity and cost savings. We call this the H.A.L.O effect. At Heil, we're constantly reacting to customers' needs in developing innovative technologies that allow fleet owners to improve their safety, to be more productive, and to make better decisions on how they operate their trucks. We are the Heil Company, and we never stop working for you.